everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today is going to be a quick one. This is a collaboration with the beautiful Myra Lorraine Official. Follow her over on Instagram. I will leave a link to her Instagram down below. But we did a collaboration on this beautiful fabric. If you saw my fabric haul, which included some gifted fabric and the different pieces that Myra had purchased for me as a gift from her local fabric store. They don't have an online shop, so sorry, cannot share with you a link to the fabric. But I'm sure if you did a search on this, because as a matter of fact, when Gertie released her, I think it's the culottes pattern, the fabric is very similar to what she used, and I think in her comments she listed where she got her fabric from, which was a linen, and this is also 100% linen, and this came from Hetty's Fabric in Las Vegas. For those who are in Las Vegas or in the Vegas area, go check out Hetty's Fabrics, because I actually have two other pieces that I received from Myra that I still have to do a couple projects with, but this was one that we collaborated on. It is, let me come up closer, it is 100% linen, as you can tell here. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? And so actually, the day I'm recording this, I wore this for the second time. This is from pattern Simplicity 8097. Now, you all know, for those who are if just in case you have not seen the video, I just did an entire, I did every single look on this pattern for my wardrobe planning that I had for my vacation. So every item in this packet I made up. And so yeah, if you want to see how all of those other pieces turned out, feel free to go watch that video. But I think I had mentioned in that video that the duster in here, which is View E, is going to be a staple. And so this is the second one I have made. Absolutely love it. This is the second time I'm wearing it. I will pop a picture and video. The first time I wore it was to volunteer at an event for church, and then today I wore this, the day I'm wearing this, I'm recording this, I went to the Houston Modern Quilt Guild meeting. And so yeah, and it was a little cool in that room, so it was nice to have something like this on just to throw over. So not a heck of a lot to add about this pattern. The one thing I will say, if you have a duster pattern like this or something simple like this, keep it in a separate, you know, compartment, folder, however you organize your patterns, as a quick go-to, because I tell you, it takes about an hour to put it together. And what's taking the extra time is, let me come up a little closer, is the binding that you add around the neckline, you add around the sleeves, and then of course I added around the hem as well, as you can see. So I added the lavender, which kind of pops out the lavender from the flower on the inside. And so yeah, I absolutely love it. I am going to pop up some pictures of what Myra made. She made a beautiful top. And so yeah, go down to her Instagram so you can see what pattern it was, what little hacking she did, because you know Myra. And yeah, definitely head over to Instagram so you can check that out. And absolutely love Myra's top. This fabric is absolutely gorgeous. Myra, thank you again for gifting this to me. I definitely appreciate it. I love the collab with it. This, like I said, is going to get a lot of wear because it's nice to just throw on over, and I said that before. Actually, this was my first one, as a matter of fact. This is the first one I made for my vacation look. And so I actually finished, I think in that video I said I needed to finish because I left it raw because I waited to the last minute to sew this one up, so it was raw when I wore it. So I came back home and I did finish. Just so you all know, I really did finish off the hem with the rolled hem on my serger. And again, if you do not know how to do a rolled hem on your serger, I have these Brother 1034D. I'll have a video linked up in the iCard, so you can go check that out to see real quick. It's something real easy, and it's really nice because this is a poly chiffon. So I've already used a poly chiffon. I did do the binding around the neckline and the hem on this one. And then this one is a linen. Now I do have plans for, there's some fabric I just received in the mail, which you all will see. It's my Destashified fabric haul. I'll show that. It'll be, I think, the last video of May. You'll see that. But one of those fabrics will be another one of these, because I just love it. I love it. It's easy breezy, go to all of the good things for a quick, easy sewing project. And so, and I have it over my Me Made tank dress. And so in the pictures, I had it over, I actually had on a Me Made tank with the leggings, actually, from Simplicity 8097, but you would have seen the pictures and all that video pop up. So that is it. That's all I want to come in today and say thank you again, Myra, and to show off our collab. Make sure you go check her out over on Instagram so you can see what she made and the little hack that she did. And don't forget to stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Wednesday's video will be a pattern haul. I picked up some commercial patterns, and I'm thinking one of them will go into for vote, because we have one more month, you guys. Stay tuned. Next week Sunday is this Sew With Me for the Pattern Pick Vogue Pattern Pick this month, which was, is sitting over here on my table, which was 1671. So stay tuned for that. And then yeah, and then I'll have up for vote. It should be up this coming Wednesday. Okay, stay tuned. I'll when I record, I'll probably add it as part of the intro for my video on Wednesday, but it should be up on Wednesday. The vote for the last Vogue pattern that I'll be focusing on this quarter, that you get to choose. So make sure you're watching the community tab. That should be up by Wednesday. Other than that, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. You all have a blessed rest of your week. And yeah, love this fabric. Love, love, love. Easy to sew, all the good things. All right, everybody, have a blessed one. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.